out the fire when that moment arrives. It's not like a John Lester could warm up quickly, come in the middle of an inning. They don't want to do that to him because he's a starter, as Napoli takes a strike at the knees. So if you are going to see, for example, a Lester, it probably would be with a fresh inning.
What the fuck do you think is going to happen here?
To warm up.
Yeah, I think there's about almost zero chance Lester.
Thanks, nice zipper merch, douchebag.
0-1 the count as Napoli waits. And the pitch a swing and a foul off, and Napoli fouled, I think, off his back leg.
Thanks.
And it's
Little friendly.
2 strikes on the Indians' first baseman.
Nice execution there by Hendricks. A little two-seam fastball that runs